What's going on, everybody? This is Mr. BCS, aka KB the Behavioralist. One of the most common emails I get, and that would be going to the grocery store. And as you know, most kids don't like to go to the grocery store. Shit, I don't like to go to the grocery store. Here are some tips for unwanted behaviors in the grocery store. Make a plan. Make sure you do your homework and have a grocery list so you know exactly how much time you're going to spend. Once your plan's complete, that's when you begin to front load. Front loading helps get the child ready for transitional situations with ample time to process. We should use it in our own lives. You know how many times I've gotten up and tried to do some things at the last minute, and how I felt the anxiety and the stress of trying to get things done without a plan. That's how kids feel when they are asked to do something at the last minute. When we talk about time management, make sure that you go to stores that you're familiar with to minimize time in the stores. Try to avoid candy aisles and toy aisles when you're with your kid. Those are definitely triggers. If you find yourself in the candy aisle, use it to your advantage by making it part of the reward for the positive behavior. Verbal praise. A please, a thank you, a good job, it's an awesome job, way to go. Those are all verbal praises. Kids are emotional and they're fragile. So anytime they can get positive reinforcement from their parents makes all the difference. This will reinforce the positive behavior throughout your time in the store. Does it feel corny? Maybe. But just imagine how you feel when your boss gives you props for something you did. Kids will try to trigger you in order to get the behavior they want to see out of you. Because if you're yelling and you're out of control, they will continue to model the behavior you present. You're the adult, so always try to keep a calm voice and a calm body while trying to get behaviors you want to see. Consistency, structure, and follow through have to be your priority. Making sure that you do not waver from the plan. Yes, there's going to be hiccups. Yes, there's going to be ups and downs, but you have to steadfast in this approach. If you find yourself in the candy aisle or the toy aisle, use it to your advantage by making it part of the reward for positive behavior. And then when you get the outcomes you want, reward the behavior. Smash that like button. Comment below for what you want to see next.
BCS, solutions that meet the moment.